Hey guys, welcome to vlog day 6. It is currently 1:05 p.m. and we just went to the beach today. Today is one of the hottest days. It's the hottest days, and we're just gonna eat lunch right there. I'll go get my food in a second. But the water is so beautiful, and we just spent our time at the beach until now. Now we're just gonna eat. The water is so pretty. Roatan is like really pretty. So yeah, we've been cooling down on the beach because today's really really hot, and yeah. Later we're gonna go snorkeling far out at the dive shop, and I'm probably not gonna vlog that because we are going pretty far out, but I'll try to show you some clips on the GoPro if we bring it and get some good clips. I'll record some stuff of fish, and last time we went I saw really really cool fish, so it was really good. And yeah, we're gonna go eat now. Hey guys. Smile. Can you stop? Talk. Talk. Ah, dragon! You look like a dragon! Ah. Where are you going, little guy? What the heck? Oh. Hello. Again. Hey, it's currently 5:43, and me and Lauren were just playing in the pool with this floaty. And we're playing in that pool. It's connected to that one. There's like a palm tree thing, and then you go under. And then, yeah, we were playing in that one. And the sun has set. And now we're just drying off. So, yes, very hot. It's raining so hard. Thanks so much for watching the next vlog, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!